Oh, you can see it on the outside. Wow. Holy crap. Excuse me, you're in the way of my camera. Thanks. Hey, what's going on, guys? TDP1 here. Welcome to the little kind of precursor episode to the Lichtenberg Figures series that I'm going to be starting. Basically, you guys saw I have the microwave set up outside. I'm basically going to be kind of putting some little random assorted things in there, ranging from, you know, blow dryers to CO2 cartridges, just to get a little bit of use out of it before we do end up ripping it apart. So without further ado, come here. Let's go ahead and get started. Hey. All right, computer mouse. 2 minutes. All right, I killed the power because it's smoking a lot, so let's go ahead and pop it open. See what we got. Oh, yikes. That is a very soft mouse. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, I don't think this one's gonna be working anytime soon. All right, next thing. All right, next up. Little silicone watch thing from when I was like in 6th grade. 2 minutes. Alright, ding ding, let's check it out. Huh. Ugh, that does not smell good. So not much. Let me get this thing out of the way. Yeah, not much damage here. Kind of disappointing. All right, next thing. All right, next up we have this lovely little gadget here. Yeah, tons of fun. All right, 2 minutes. I'm gonna cut the power. This thing's just smoking. I think it's pretty much done everything it's gonna do, but let's check it out. Woo! Oh my god. Something's on fire. I see flames in there. Oh, the plastic from the mouse is on fire. And here's our little, yeah, does it still work? Oh, well, the button's melted, so can't tell. That's the battery compartment there. And those batteries are very, very hot. Oh, look at that, it's separated. You guys see that separated? The inside of the battery came out of its casing. Well, I'm gonna dispose of this here and move on to the next one. So next up we have ourselves a blow dryer here. Even though I can get the door closed with this inside, having the blow dryer on, it actually does not trigger the switch that's needed. So I was gonna have it be on inside the microwave, but we're just gonna have to do it regularly. So here we go. 2 minutes. I see flames. I see flames. Let's take a look here. Oh. Oh, yikes. Ah, jeez. Okay. Well, I don't think it still works. Oh, stay open. That thing is pretty destroyed. All right, let's go ahead and do that thing of silly string. All right, now for our second to last item, got a pretty much full thing of silly string. I've taken the plastic cap off just to reduce the amount of smoke. I'm gonna do this one for 5 minutes. Let's see what happens. Oh my God. Holy shit. That was better than I expected. That shattered the glass plate that was inside. There are glass pieces on the ground. Okay, we gotta get a closer look at this. Hold on. Oh, it was so awesome. Okay, let's check this out. Well, basically a bomb went off. There's a straw. I don't even know where that came from. Here's our, there you go. Let's better look at it. That's our silly string. 21 seconds left. That is insane. Okay, wait, I gotta show you guys this. There's an indent in the metal in the back of the microwave. You see that? See that thing right there? Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh, you can see it on the outside. Wow. Holy crap. That dented the steel. Look at that, it's bowed out. Oh my gosh. Oh, that is freaking incredible. Wow. All right, well, let me clean this up and then we'll do our last one, the CO2. All right, ladies and gentlemen, last but not least, we have, oh, there it is, our CO2 canister. We're gonna do 7 minutes on this one. Let's see what happens. Let's get out of here. Okay, so I decided to go inside for this one to go eat some cherries because I didn't want to be around if anything went terribly wrong. So I come back out, microwave goes off, and the door is not busted open. So right now I do not know. Excuse me, I do not know if this went off. So this is a very dangerous situation because those canisters, if I remember correctly, are like 800 psi, and that's going to increase if it's heated. So I'm going to carefully open the door with stick and pot and just see what's going on. Right? I have no idea. I went inside. I do not know if this went off at all. You guys do though. Okay, so it has not gone off, which is bad. So it's in there, and I'm gonna have to find a way to get it out of there safely so I can dispose of it safely and as far away from my body as possible. Let's give it a shot. Okay, so right now it's inside this pot covered in dirt, and I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of it. So pretty anticlimactic, but oh well. Alright guys, that's going to be it for me today. Thank you so much for watching this little kind of intermittent episode between this and the Lichtenberg Figure series. Subscribe and share if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time.